Imagine having the financial freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want. Imagine being able to travel the world, buy your dream home, and retire early. Imagine never having to worry about money again. What if I told you that there are secrets to making money that are so powerful they can change your life forever? Now, I know what you're thinking. There are a million different money-making schemes out there, and most of them are scams. But don't worry, these secrets are different. They're all based on proven strategies that have helped real people make real money. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 money secrets you need to know. So what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Number 1. Salary isn't the whole story. Going up the corporate ladder can only get you so far. You will reach your earning potential, then your rising curve will flatten. What you might not know is that making your money work hard for you is key to growing your wealth, not you working very hard for money. Generating income from passive rather than active income sources is the best way to do this. For those who do not know the difference between the two incomes, I will define them. Active income is income you earn after working like the normal 9-to-5 job. Passive income is income you get because of investing your money. Examples of investments that yield a passive income are rental properties, dividend-paying securities, profits gotten from a business you don't directly run on a daily basis, even royalties received on creative work or inventions. Is there a worse feeling than to work in a job you despise but you cannot quit because you really need the salary? In such a job, days would become so long to feel like years, and life would be so miserable, if not even meaningless. You don't have to be at the mercy of a job. Take things into your own hands. Develop the skills you need to invest and earn passively. Number 2. Take advantage of time, not timing. Stop thinking you can sell everything before a stock market crash. Occasionally, you may hear guys claiming they might sell when the market is about to crash. But the question is, how do they know for sure that a crash is coming? A crash is a crash only when it is obvious, and it will obviously be too late by then. This to me is overconfidence in disguise. What we know is that most predictions seldom come true. The price that comes with timing crashes is that you will get it wrong and will suffer lower returns. No one has the power to foretell how the market will behave tomorrow. The wealthy know this fact and make zero attempts to carry themselves as day traders. They, however, realize that time and compounded returns are the most essential factors in growing wealth. As counterintuitive as it might seem, growing your wealth requires you as an investor to embrace a buy and hold strategy. Stay put, ride out any fluctuations in the market, and ignore speculation. Number 3. Investing is the opposite of gambling. What's the difference, you may ask? Well, when you are talking about investing, you would be referring to a decision made on a logical and sound assessment of possibilities. On the other hand, gambling involves taking a swing at chance and riding with it. An investor pours money when he reasonably believes the odds are in his favor. A gambler will bet their money without caring whether the odds favor him or not, and hopes it's his lucky day. There is a fine line between the two, and it's easy to relate investing to gambling, because in both cases, most people lose money. There is a tendency to blame external factors instead of blaming ourselves when things don't go as planned. We blame the markets, claiming they are rigged the same way casinos have an edge over the gamblers. This is why we lose. You need to do your research before investing in the stock market. The stock market becomes a casino only if you are not well informed. Number 4. The road to financial freedom is long and you are your only competition. A lot of people think the wealthy live lavish lifestyles. While some of them do, plenty of them attain their status living frugally and investing their incomes. It's difficult to avoid the temptation to live beyond your means, but it's important that you resist. If you don't, could slowly crawl into a debt cycle, which may limit your ability to save. Create a budget if you don't have one and try to save at least 20% of your earnings whenever possible. If you get some more income, then increase your savings even further and make an effort to pay down your debt if you have one. Number 5. It's best not to do it alone. The rich are not always vast with matters of finances or investing, but they value expert advice from a professional. A lot of people will forego the cost of hiring a financial manager, but the wealthy realize that with the help of a financial advisor, their wealth could grow at a greater rate. Financial advisors suggest investments and strategies you had not thought about to achieve your goals sooner. While some people might cringe at the cost of hiring a financial advisor to manage their money, the wealthy understand that, with an advisor's help, their money could grow faster than it would if they were managing it on their own. Wealth seldom grows overnight, but if you are responsible with your funds, seeking out newer and other sources of income, and seeking help when you require it, you will steadily grow your worth over time. Thank you for watching, and that was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on finance. Stay tuned.